CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat guaranteed restoration to last over 200 washes. A ceramic coating, not a dressing, quick and easy to apply. Ceramic coating that will last 2 years or your money back, no questions asked. Our product is not a temporary greasy dressing that will disappear after a couple washes or a good rain. Unlike other products, there's no top secret sauce that apparently makes a product last for a couple months. This is a ceramic coating that is guaranteed to last for 2 years. Doesn't wash off. You've done it over and over again. You buy the new magical product that claims it lasts a long time, whatever that means, and you spend a bunch of time applying it, greasing up rags, squirting it all over the place, and by the time you get a couple days of rain, you're back to where you started. We'll make you a deal. If CERAKOTE Trim Coat washes off within the first 200 washes, we'll give you your money back. Stop wasting your money on cheap products that don't last. Restores and protects your trim. Unlike other cheap products that give you a temporary greasy shine until they wash off, CERAKOTE Trim Coat will actually restore and protect your trim. You read our guarantee, Trim Coat will restore and protect your plastic trim for 2 years. Period. No gimmicks, no fine print, no secrets. Just a ceramic coating that actually cures to your vehicle's plastic, giving it years of protection while looking amazing.